Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you have to choose your language and then click on this button. And now you have to choose your region, then you can click on this button again, then click next, and now you have to agree to this user's agreement and click next. Now you can click skip, or you can set up with another device, and here you can connect to a network, or you can just click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click accept, and here you can set up your lock screen, or you can just click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click next, and here you can set up parental controls, or you can click next, and now you can select your font, or you can just click next, and here you can set up your lock screen, or you can click skip. Now you can select your default launcher, or you can just click next. And now click on this arrow button. And as you can see, my setup is now complete. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.